Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. As much as we think we're doing a great job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.